What's going on, guys? It is Thursday, July 11th, and got the check engine light all squared away, so it's all fixed. It's just simple fuel cap, so no big deal. So all the good news is, okay, so that's gone. I got my estimate for the insurance. Let's see if we can get focused here. So basically, they're going to replace the hood. They're going to blend all the fenders and stuff, and you know, they have to remove the headliner, of course, to knock out the dents in the roof. In terms of the trunk, they're not replacing the trunk, but they are going to be knocking out those dents and all of this stuff I don't really fully understand. But let me just go through everything. So the total cost will be $5,444, which is about where I expected it to be. And so they are going to blend the paint, and they made it. They actually know that it's like a really special paint, like on this car, the World Rally Blue. And so I'm actually happy. So next week, Wednesday, I'm going to take it in, and they're going to give me a loaner car. I'm taking my car to Crash Champions, and they're going to get it fixed up, and probably take them about a week or so, I'm going to say, and then the car will be all fixed up. So I'm happy. Check engine light's gone. Everything's fixed. No worries. And so I'm looking forward to that. And that's about it. Just a quick little update. So I appreciate the people who remind me about the access port being able to read codes. I knew I could clear the codes, but I forgot I could also read the codes too. So I got that cleared, and then I replaced the fuel cap, and everything's good. So good to go. So thanks as always for watching, and then I guess I'll update next week when I get that loaner car, see what kind of vehicle they give me, and then when I get my car all fixed up and all looking, you know, hopefully like new, hopefully, because I know I got to blend the paint stuff. I'll make a video and I'll go on from there. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support. Keep doing what you enjoy doing. Stay positive in life, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace out, and thanks again for all your help.